Did you know that over 80% of people using baking soda have no idea about its most powerful health benefits? This humble white powder, sitting in nearly every kitchen, has been called one of the most overlooked remedies on Earth. If you're serious about your health, stick around. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your country. We'd love to hear from you. 1. Detox support. Baking soda helps balance pH levels when dissolved in water. People use it in baths to soothe skin and internally to help manage acid buildup. One study even showed it slowed kidney disease progression in some patients. But moderation is key. Always consult a doctor first. 2. Oral health and whitening. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive that removes stains and neutralizes mouth acids. Studies confirm it reduces plaque and bacteria, making it great for whiter teeth and fresher breath. Just don't overuse it, as it can wear down enamel. 3. Heartburn relief. 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water can quickly neutralize stomach acid and relieve heartburn. It's a fast, proven home remedy backed by medical research. 4. Antifungal properties. Baking soda disrupts the environment fungi need to grow. It's been shown to inhibit fungal strains in lab studies and works well on athlete's foot and other skin infections when applied topically or added to a foot soak. 5. UTI symptom relief. Baking soda may help reduce the acidity of urine, easing the burning sensation of UTIs. One small study showed women experienced symptom relief after using it, but it should never replace antibiotics or doctor-approved treatment. 6. Canker sore treatment. Rinsing with baking soda and water can neutralize mouth acids, reduce pain, and promote healing. Studies support its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Plus, it's gentle on sensitive tissue. 7. Boosts exercise performance. Athletes use baking soda to fight muscle fatigue. It helps neutralize lactic acid buildup, extending peak performance. A meta-analysis found it improves endurance in high-intensity sports like sprinting and swimming. 8. Supports kidney function. For people with chronic kidney disease, baking soda may help slow damage by reducing acid levels in the blood. A major study confirmed slower progression in patients taking sodium bicarbonate supplements. But again, only under medical supervision. 9. Eases arthritis pain. A 2018 study found that baking soda may help reduce inflammation in autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. It activates the body's anti-inflammatory response and could be a gentle addition to your pain management toolkit. 10. Manages gout symptoms. Gout is caused by uric acid buildup. Since baking soda helps alkalize the body, it may reduce uric acid levels and relieve gout flare-ups. But use caution and talk to a healthcare provider first. Baking soda isn't just for baking or cleaning. It's a powerful, affordable tool for supporting health. But like any remedy, it must be used wisely. Always consult a professional before trying it for medical purposes. If you learned something new today, drop a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it.